Uh, so in this question, we have these 8 points in this 2x2 grid formation, and we're going to choose 2 of them at random. And we want to know the probability that the 2 points are 1 unit apart. So again, we start out with the formula again. Probability is the number of success divided by the number of possible. So a very important formula. So for the number of possible, usually in a probability problem, finding the number of possibilities is usually the easier one. In this case, we have 8 points, right, in this formation, and we want to choose 2 of them. So we have 8 points, we want to choose 2. So that tells us that the number of possibilities is just going to be 8 choose 2. Now for the number of successes, we want the probability that the 2 points are 1 unit apart. So to count that, that's pretty simple, right? Because, for example, there are exactly like 8 possibilities. We have these pair of points, these pair of points, these pair of points, these pairs, these pairs, these pairs, these pairs, these pairs. So like, if we were to just count them one by one, we find that there are exactly 8 pairs of points that have a distance of 1 apart. So in this case, the number of success would just be 8. So now all we have to do is evaluate it. So now we can evaluate this combination on the bottom. This is just 8 times 7 over 2. So we would cancel off the 8s, and we would just take the reciprocal, and we find the probability is 2 over 7. And looking back at our answer choices, that would be choice B, and we would be done. The main thing about this problem was to use the formula number of success divided by number of possible, and you just carefully counting them. These probability problems really shouldn't be that bad. Once you get more practice, you would get better and better at finding like the number of successes, the number of possible, and just using this formula, you can just calculate probability.